submit the winning form. And we have complied with one of the major requirements of the party for contesting for presidency on the platform of APC. We have done all that is required. We submitted all the documents that are required. As you can see, we have received our acknowledgement copy, and we are confident victory will be ours on 30th May during the convention.
Some few hours ago, sir, the president directed all his ministers to resign. Especially those who want to contest the presidency. Don't you see this as a threat to your principles' ambition?
How can it be a threat? The more the merrier. We are Democrats, and we believe that even if there are 1 million contestants on the platform of this party, we will carry majority of the delegates at the convention. So the more the merrier. They are all welcome.
How prepared are you from the primary, sir?
100% prepared.
Sir, I would like to ask, what are the challenges, what are the fears?
There are no challenges. We are politicians who have been in this game for many years. Whatever challenges there are, we've only convert them to opportunities.
Jagaban said that he's done all that needs to be done, that his party and some others should relax. But if he's beaten, he will go back home. Can you explain that statement?
He's a Democrat. Every politician should not be afraid of election because the probabilities are two. Either you win or you lose. So if we lose at the convention, we go back home, we lick our wounds, and then prepare to support the winner if he emerges in a free and fair manner.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
So let's look forward to the primaries, and hopefully we pray Aswaju picks the ticket at the end. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.